Hello everybody, we're really excited today. Andrew has been to the printers and picked up next year's 2027 Cheeky Calendar. Look at that. On the cover is the Tree of Life. That had to be on the cover, didn't it? But as we go through the months, we have got in January, Swan Lake. February is the Voicey Doves. March is the Kingfisher. April, lovely spring one, Swallow and Almond Blossom. May is Vincent's Irises. Vincent van Gogh, of course. June is Monet's Water Lilies. July is the Peacock. August is the Toucan. September is the Siege of Cranes. October is the Octopus. November's the Pimento Fish. And December had to be the Partridge in a Pear Tree. So there you are. But you're asking me a question now, I can hear you. What about the verses? Well, the verses are on a separate page, so you're not going to miss out on those wonderful verses that you all love so much. So, avoid disappointment and order yours now.